Well, hello everyone. Welcome to another beautiful day for an adventure here on Tommy Travels. This is March 31st. We're doing a different kind of a video here today. I was not expecting we would have a blizzard in store for us, but that's exactly what we have. And I know some people are from warmer climates and don't have to deal with this stuff, so I thought we'd go through a little drive down one of the main thoroughfares here in St. Paul and just kind of show you what it's like to drive in a blizzard. That's right, we do have a blizzard warning going on, and it's coming down at a rate of between 1 and 2 inches an hour, I think, right now. And so that's accumulating very, very quickly. A lot of places are closing early as far as the stores around here and restaurants and everything like that. And so I thought, let's take a little bit of a drive down the street here and show you what it's like to drive in a blizzard here in West St. Paul. Got to turn up my wipers. And I may have to turn on my defogger. Whoop, that's loud. The first thing that you notice is it's tough to know where the lanes are exactly. You can kind of line it up with the stoplights, but any reasonable expectation of knowing exactly where your lane is really tough, as you can see. So I'm just trying to stay in the tire tracks to the left here. You can see we got huge flakes coming down. There's Fireside, a popular hangout on this street. A McDonald's right over there. This is kind of a good area for kind of a main place for grocery stores, for auto places, coffee shops, fast food. Pretty much anything you need is right around here within a mile radius or so. It's supposed to snow like this all night as well. So I may do an update video tomorrow to kind of show how all of this has accumulated. And look, there's a Dairy Queen right here. Look at the Dairy Queen. And look, there's somebody in line, even on a day like this. They're open all year round, because we love our ice cream here in Minnesota, that's for sure. We're not going to go too far around town here. We're just going to flip a U-turn down towards the end of this road and then call it a night. But I thought it would be neat to do just a different kind of unedited video here, as long as we have a blizzard going on. There's probably some people that'll watch this that have never really even seen snow to begin with. And so this would be kind of interesting for them. Or people like Nomadic Hippie or Steph Stuck in a Truck who have seen snow before. But currently they are anchored in Florida, where they don't see this kind of stuff very often. Well, Hippie still does. Steph doesn't. So if we go straight ahead, we'll run right into St. Paul. Right into downtown St. Paul. Maybe we'll go check out St. Paul Skyline, and then we'll turn around and head back. And then maybe I'll put in an update of the overall accumulation tomorrow. But I want to release this video tomorrow as well. Okay, I can slow down these wipers now, I think. It's starting to squeak. That's annoying. Look how fast the snow accumulates on the window when the wipers aren't going. It's crazy. Look at that. The roads are starting to get slick. I can feel that. I don't want to be out here too much later. It is a 9:34. It just started snowing. There was just a little dusting on the ground at about 8:15. So a little more than an hour ago. It was just starting to, flakes were coming down. And then all of a sudden it started getting more and more. And now it's just absolutely crazy. So we're going to just go down to, whoops. I have my brakes on full blast right now. Woo! Right there. Oh, my goodness. That is the reason that you need the traction control braking system on there. Because that could have been an accident very easily. I'll go ahead and turn here too. Wow. That saved me right there because the ground is solid ice right there. That's one reason why people who don't usually have to deal with snow, you hear about snow coming in other states and so many accidents. And it's because of situations like that. People are used to driving and putting on the brakes and then sliding for 50 yards before they actually come to a stop. So here we are coming up on a Holiday gas station. Right here, popular gas station in Minnesota. I'm going to take a right here. And then what we're going to do is just get a look at downtown St. Paul and head back. St. Paul is just off to my left here. Oh, not here. There we go. Look at that. It's just coming down so quick. My gosh. We may not even be able to see the skyline with it coming down this heavily. Take a left here. It's probably an inch and a half, 2 inches of snow, maybe more. Oh yeah. This is the downtown St. Paul skyline right here. Right in the center of the screen, you can see that first. It's a 1ST on top of that building, the red light that's blinking there. You can barely see it. That's a historic downtown St. Paul building. which you can't even hardly make out. We'll just go right down here to the river, the Mississippi River. I've started and ended many videos right here from this spot. There we go. There's beautiful downtown St. Paul in blizzard-like conditions. Isn't that something? All right, now I'll turn things around here, head back. Every time I turn down my windshield wipers, because the snow seems to be letting up a little bit, I turn them down, and then it goes right back up to blizzard conditions. So I think I know what our challenge is going to be here coming up, and maybe a good place to end this video, at least this part of it. Here we come back to Robert Street. Gonna hang a right here. Look at that windshield. Whoa. We are blowing some snow out of the middle of the road here. My goodness. After this stoplight coming up, there's a pretty big hill that we have to climb to get home. We're gonna see if we can make it up that hill. There has been a time in a previous car when I had my 2013 Kia Optima where I could not make it up that hill. We are on the west side of St. Paul right now. These flakes are huge, aren't they? I've got a delivery driver in front of me. I feel sorry for those guys tonight. My goodness. I think this guy is one too. They're waving to each other saying, I feel your pain, buddy. It's tough out there tonight. If you do order pizza or Uber or Lyft for delivery, make sure you give them good tips, especially on nights like this. Here's the hill that I was talking about. Are we gonna make it up? Make it up that great big hill? We shall find out. I don't think this hill is going to be any match for my Subaru Crosstrek. Hello, sunshine. It's hard to tell on camera how steep that is, but it is pretty steep. And we have made it right through. Very good. Perfect. Well, this is what a blizzard looks like in Minnesota, you guys. My goodness. This was a very different style, unedited video. If you liked it, go ahead and hit like on my YouTube channel. I'm losing my voice. Been working all day on the phones. Go ahead and hit subscribe, and the little bell notification next to it, so you can be the first to know when a new adventure comes out. And thank you so much for all of the support that you've given me so far. And until next time, boy, I'm really losing my voice. Wow. I hope to catch you on the flip side. what happened to my voice there at the end. A little bonus content for you. Look at all that. Whew.